Studies show that when you decrease tension in your body, you improve your sense of alignment, which actually helps your nervous system regulate sleep, metabolism, brain function, and immunity. And that's good news for your emotional life as well. Here's a strategy to try. Take a comfortable seated position. Take a few deep breaths in through the nose and out through the mouth. And again, in through the nose and out through the mouth. Now, close your eyes and starting at your feet, squeeze them as tight as you can for 5 seconds while breathing in. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Now, breathe in and squeeze your calves, thighs, and legs as tightly as you can. Hold the tension for 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Now, breathe in and squeeze your buttocks for 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Now, the entire torso, belly, chest, arms, hands, and shoulders. Big inhale. Squeeze tightly for 2, 3, 4, 5. Exhale, release. Now, add your head, neck, and face. Inhale. Squeeze your face and your eyes tightly shut, keeping them squeezed here for 2, 3, 4, 5, and release. Finally, we're gonna include the whole body. Take a big inhale and squeeze the whole body head to toe. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax and release and let it go. Take a couple of deep breaths and feel what's happening inside your body now. You can do this exercise seated or ideally laying down. Take a moment and notice how you feel now compared to how you felt before doing this exercise.